Hi everyone. Good morning, good morning. Ron phone coming today and we were going to unbox it. Ayan, buksan natin siya. Let's open it. Bagong telepono ni Ron. Cause, ano ba yung nangyari sa phone ni Ron? Yung isa, nasagasaan niya ng pickup truck niya. The other one, keep cracking. Laging nalalaglag. So, let's unbox this. Ta-da! Hello! Let's get it started. Back up your old phone. Set up new 5G phone. Download the My Verizon app. Of course, carrier kami ng Verizon. So, ito na siya. Ooh, S20. Okay. So, ito siya. S20 ni Ron. Sa akin is Z3 Fold Samsung. Yung napo-fold siya. Flip. Napo-fold yung phone ko. Pero kay Ron, ito. S20. He doesn't care if it's yung bagong labas ba o hindi. Kasi hindi siya masyadong sa phone gadget. Mas more on computer siya, laptop. Yan. Ako naman, kaya kahit expensive yung aking C3 Fold Samsung, which is cost $2,000. A little expensive. Pero yun ang gamit ko sa lahat. Para siyang mini tablet na rin. So, ito yung phone niya. This new phone. Oh, of course, the key to open your SIM. And of course, all the quick repairance guide. And then, ito siya. Of course, his charger. So, ito na po yung bago niyang phone kay Ron. So, we'll see.
This is what tomorrow looks like.
So, ayan siya.
It's a movement. We've got to dream.
Hello! I'm videoing here.
Yes.
Show me your old picture, phone. Your two broken phone. So, ito po yung sa akin. Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Na gamit ko ngayon sa pagbibideo. Of course, from Samsung too. So, I already use it. So, napipflip po siya, napo-fold siya. Box na lang siya kasi eto gamit ko siya sa pag-video.
This is the phone that works. This is the phone that doesn't work.
Okay.
It's cracked. It's cracked.
So, ito yung dalawang phone niya na pinalitan ng bago. Ito, Etong isa, nasagasaan niya ng nasagasaan niya ng pickup truck. Kaya ganyan na siya. Pero gumagana pa rin. Ito namang isa, nag-start na mag-crack. Pero nagagamit pa rin. Ayan. Crack na rin yung kanyang what do you call this? Camera. So, of course, English. Oh, well, siya na yung mag-aano nito. Hindi ako. Agree for this. So, ayan. Whoops! What?
You opened it?
I opened it.
You put fingerprints on it before putting a screen on it.
No, there still have the plastic on it. I didn't put the fingerprint. Still covered with plastic. See? So, ayan po. Dumating today yung new phone ni Ron. So, ayan. 3 yung phone niya. Sa akin, isa lang. Ito. Pero, Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Ayan. Napo-fold siya. So, that's it for today. Just opening Ron new phone. Balik natin para i-fix niya mamaya. Install lang dapat i-install. So, yan. Sun S20 ang kanya. Galaxy Z Fold 3 naman yung akin. Yan. Yan, that's it. That's it of the day. I'm in the round. So, ayan po. Yung bagong telepono niya. Okay, bye for today. Have a great day. God bless you all.